our electric bill just kept going up and up. We weren't too keen on lighting a fire in the middle of the living room. We decided that maybe the thing to do was to look into solar. We had friends who went solar and immediately saw the difference in their bill, and they had actually gone with Insight. They had nothing but good things to say about that experience, both in terms of the installation and the impact on their bill. The real benefit came when that first electric bill showed up, and I remember I was sitting on our couch and my wife said to me, "Hey, the electric bill's here." And I said, "Cool." She said, "Guess how much it was?" I said, "I don't know, like $50. She said, "I don't know, $100, you know." And she said, "Oh, no, you're going in the wrong direction." I said, "Wait, how much was it?" She said, $5. And I said, "What?" I mean, it was an amazing savings. That was great because that was exactly what we were looking for.
We bought this house 8 years ago. Our goal was to get off fossil fuel for environmental reasons that we would eventually like to run our house all on solar. Our house was in the right spot with a good roof line, and so we always hoped that we could generate enough power and that someone could build a system for us. And that's big thanks to Insight Solar. When we got done with the original house, we were I guess under the impression that we would need to come up with more money that we didn't have. And even through the financing, after the system has been built, our bill is way less than the electricity bills we're used to receiving. And when I take a look at the bill I get every month, I realize that I have a $600 in credit. So National Grid owes me money. I'm looking at really low or no electricity bills. Speaking with Insight, realizing that there was a way to where we didn't have to necessarily spend any money on the outset, we sort of regret not doing it a little bit earlier. Our goal was to have a net zero energy home. We have that now. At the end of the day, I'm really happy that we found Insight Solar. I mean, from the initial meetings through the installation and then now the performance of our system, my family and I could not be happier.